Fort Greene Park's plan to remove 78 trees has sparked mixed reaction among residents. The redesign aims to improve accessibility and address environmental concerns by replacing invasive Norway maples with over 200 new native trees. Some locals are worried about the impact on the park's character.
I like it here. I hope they don't change much.
I mean, we really like the trees here at Fort Greene Park. It's kind of the whole point. I think the enjoyment per tree is pretty high here, so getting rid of 78 of them feels like a lot, unless they're sick or there's some major issue that I'm not aware of.
The Fort Greene Park's Conservancy clarified that 30 of the trees being removed are unhealthy. 24 are Norway maples, which harm the ecosystem by disrupting native tree growth, and the other 24 pose infrastructure risks, with roots penetrating pipes that drain water. We received this statement from the Conservancy, quote, "We support the planned capital improvements to Fort Greene Park because they will bring needed upgrades for the long-term sustainability and accessibility of the park. With new infrastructure, ADA-compliant entrances, attention to maintaining the natural diversity and health of the landscape, and greater recreational amenities, these improvements are a vital investment in the park's environmental health and will ensure that the park remains accessible and serves the community for generations to come," end quote. Other park goers say adding new trees is okay, but they do not want to remove existing ones unless absolutely necessary.
Planting more trees is fine, just I don't want to cut something about the nature. If they want to act, it's good.
Meanwhile, construction for the project is currently in the preparation stage and has not yet been scheduled, but is anticipated to begin in the first half of 2026. In Fort Greene, Brooklyn, Corey McGinnis, Pix 11 News.